So if I want to go ahead and then let's say, for example, set some for contacts or device quickly, then over here on the top, you got search and connect. So now over here, you can see that it's selecting all. So if I were to go ahead and type in tutor, you can see that it searches out for contact right here. And if I were to go ahead and type in, let's say, for instance, a number, it'll show out the devices right here. But what I can actually do is set device only right here, just like this. And then now what I can do is type in T, let's say, for example, go to devices, and then it'll filter it out accordingly. So if I were to go to contact, you can see that it'll just show up this particular contact right here. So if I were to go to feature, then it'll simply show up the features right here with the letter T. So if I were to go around over here and type in team right here, just like this, you can see that it shows everything, but as soon as I go to feature, it'll show this out. If I were to go around over here on the settings, then you also can change the search action behavior if you want to search for result, or you can go ahead and directly set to connect to result. So whenever you go ahead and type in the address, you can simply go ahead and connect to it. But by default, it sets for result right here. So whatever I set right here, let's say, for example, it'll simply go ahead and then says it out. So let's just go around over here and type it in, and this is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and use the search bar in TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.